Every animation begins with a single idea. At Mount Kigali University, we transform imagination into digital experiences that inspire, educate, and entertain.
Animation is more than just cartoons that we see on a day-to-day lives. I think animation also is deeply rooted in visual storytelling. And here at Mount Kigali, able to actually help our students in understanding this aspect of animation in general.
From 2D and 3D, animation to motion graphics, visual effects, character design, and digital storytelling, our students gain hands-on experience using modern animation tools and industry-standard software.
Every assignment gives us an opportunity to turn our imagination into reality. We are not just learning softwares, we are learning how to tell our stories that can impact the world.
At Mount Kigali University, creativity is nurtured, innovation is encouraged, and talent is transformed into professional excellence. Here, future animators, filmmakers, game designers, and digital creators don't just dream about the future, they create it.